Once I was born by his Sheakah's grave field, just like a slave.